welcome back to my channel, and today I have a sponsored video from Cosori. They reached out to me again and I love their products, so I said yes. I use the pressure cooker every night to cook my dinner and I love it. So when they asked me if I would review the automatic vacuum sealer, I said I would love to, because I'm starting to try to eat more organic foods and they just don't last as long, which is a good thing for your body. So I'm hoping that this will help me to save money and also help me save a little bit of time. So I thought that I would bring this to you, and if you were interested, you could join me on this journey. But let me tell you, get some things out of the way, and then I'm going to show you this. I really like it so far. This is like a first impression though, so I don't know, but I think it's going to be a really good product. Okay, so it's $68.95, and I do have a discount coupon code, which I'll put down in the description box, to give you 15% off, and it's good March the 20th through April the 20th. And so let me show you some really neat stuff about this. We'll go over some of its features and everything. Here's the box that it comes in. Okay, it comes with one vacuum roll that you can cut to the size that you want, and 5 pre-cut vacuum seal bags, and they're a nice size, you can see that. And then it has a hose attachment in case you want to use it for those bags that are already, so you can just attach it to the bag and it will take the vacuum and seal that, or you can use it on canisters or mason jars or anything. I just don't have the adapter that goes with that. And then you get this product, and as usual with Cosori, you can get an extra 1-year warranty if you just fill out this little warranty card, which I think that says a lot about their products. Okay, so let's start looking at this. First of all, you can see it's very sleek and pretty, which I like. And it has a relatively long cord. Okay, so what we're going to do is, like I said, I've been cooking with the pressure cooker every night, and I love it. But I'm chopping up onions because we love onions, and it makes the refrigerator smell nasty. So what I'm going to do is just put this onion in here. Now, this has a lot of different functions. It has the vacuum seal and cancel, and it will automatically vacuum and seal your bag that way. And then there's a pressure level right here, and that allows you to do like normal, like foods that can be vacuum sealed without any protection, like rice, potatoes, frozen foods. Like if you even want to put some clothes in here, you can put clothes. You would have to have bigger bags. Like my husband likes to go camping. Well, he could take like maybe a shirt, and I'm sure they make bigger bags than this, and maybe some matches or something like that. Because sometimes we do go canoeing on the river, and it would always be good to have some dry clothes that you could throw in your bag. And then it has gentle, which is down here, and you select that if you want to use something that will take less pressure, like tomatoes or strawberries or dry pasta. And then it has a food button right here that adjusts the vacuum and sealing time for foods with different moisture levels. Like you will use the dry up here if you want some food, if you're going to be vacuuming foods that have no moisture in them at all, like uncooked rice, pasta, crackers, or spices. And I love that buying in bulk will save us money, because we always go to Sam's and buy a lot, but we're really going to start going to farmers markets. Like I said, we're trying to eat more healthier with the more organic, and like I said, this should help us a lot. And then it has the moist setting right here for wet foods, like meats, poultry, fish, or partially frozen soups or stews. And then this is your canister mode, and then this you can use if you're going to marinate something to really lock in the flavors. Like when we fix steak, I love ribeye, and I love to put basil and oregano and olive oil on that steak and let it just on both sides and let it really marinate, and then he puts it on the grill. Oh, it is so good. And then there's a manual seal button right here, and it will seal the end of the bag when you use the bag roll, like this roll right here, if you're just going to seal that first. Okay, I have some pasta that I just had left over. It's different types, so I'm just going to put it in here. Now it has to extend into here so that it can suck it out. I'm just going to shut it, and I'm going to put it on, it's already on dry, so I'm going to hit vacuum seal. And as you can see, it is sealed very nicely, and it will stay fresh a lot longer. Okay, then I have some onions that I have chopped for dinner, so I'm going to do the same thing and just put them right in here, press down, and vacuum seal. And this will be ready for my dinner this evening. All I have to do is open it up, put it in there, and the refrigerator won't smell nasty, and it'll stay longer. I love this. This is so great. So I'm going to do one more thing. I'm going to make, we like to have hamburgers from time to time, so I'm going to make a bag for our hamburgers. I'm going to have them already pattied out. I think that's about the size I need. I was probably over generous, and I'm just going to put this in here. You have to make sure that this is inside this little seal chamber where this little air hose is, or it won't suck the air out. Okay, then you just press on these two knobs on the end, and here's that little bag cutter right here that I told you. This is perfectly sealed, so all I have to do now is I'm going to turn the camera off, make my patties, and I'll be back. I just put I put 4 hamburger patties in here, and I'm just going to put it right in here so the suction can occur. I'm going to push down, leave it on moist, and hit vacuum seal. Because we love to take red peppers and mushrooms and grill them and then put them on top of our hamburgers. So now I have nicely sealed hamburgers. So I love that fact. Okay, one last thing I want to see. I'm sure it will do this, but I have some popcorn here that I've been eating out of. And I'm just going to see if I can get a factory seal on this popcorn. So I'm just going to put it right here, close it, and do a manual seal and see what we have. And it's a great factory seal on the popcorn. So, I'm really pleased with this model. And like I said, it's very sleek and it prevents it from being overheated. It has a function too that will keep it from overheating. So whether you want to seal in meat or you want to seal your vegetables, it really works nicely. I will tell you, it's a learning curve to get it right there where you need to have it, right in here, so that it will seal really good, but it's just a learning curve. And like I said, I have that 15% off coupon code I'll put down below, and if you want to try this, it's great. But and I'd like to thank Cosori for sponsoring this video. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.